Hey y'all, welcome back to How Do You Cook? Back to Basics. So today we're going to be making a classic pecan pie. So first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Now while your oven is preheating, you can be getting all of your ingredients together and you can make all that while your oven's preheating. So the first thing you're going to need is a cup of light corn syrup or Karo syrup. There's my 1 cup of Karo syrup. I'm gonna try to get as much of that out of there as I possibly can. Okay, try to get all that out. It's good stuff, y'all. Next thing you'll need are 3 eggs. And now it's asking for 1 cup of granulated sugar. Just pour that sugar down in there. 2 tablespoons of melted butter. I have that right here. Okay. 1.5 cups of pecans. Right there. Okay, so we have our Karo syrup, our 3 eggs, cup of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Okay, got that. Now what it says to do, you mix your Karo syrup, your eggs, sugar, butter, and vanilla using a spoon or rubber spatula. Stir in pecans and pour the mixture into pie crust. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start this stirring process. I know I should have probably put the pecans in there after, but I don't really think it matters. As long as it's all in there. That's all that matters, y'all. Ain't that right? Just stir it all up real good. Okay, so our pecan pie mixture has been mixed up really well. So now what you want to do, oops, I just moved stuff around. Now what you want to do is you just want to pour the contents of your bowl into a pie shell here. And try to get out all of that stuff, y'all. So you can use your spatula and kind of scrape the sides and kind of put that there. See, there's that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in my oven and I'll come back when it's ready to come out of the oven. Okay, y'all, so I just took my pecan pie out of the oven. So now we wait for 2 hours before we are able to cut into it. I usually like to cook my pecan pies the day before Thanksgiving or the event that I'm usually serving a pie at. I usually cook it the day before and let it sit overnight to kind of congeal and all those ingredients kind of marry together and it kind of settle down. Hey y'all, it's the next day and here is a slice of our pecan pie. If you noticed, whenever I took the pecan pie out of the oven, it looked like it was expanding in the middle. So this is why you need to give it at least 2 hours to rest so it can congeal and marry all those ingredients together. So as you can see here, this piece of pie, the middle has finally came down and was ready to be sliced. I hope you enjoyed this episode on How Do You Cook Back to Basics, and please do consider subscribing to our channel And please hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming recipes. Until next time, guys, see you later. Love you lots. Bye-bye now.